4. Phys.Ed.
Some people are surprised to know that walking is very good exercise. It seems very easy, but it does us a lot of good. It cleans the blood, tones up muscles, and strengthens bones. It even helps people lose weight. One study showed that fast walking keeps your heart healthy. Men who walked fast were 50% less likely to have heart disease. You don't need much equipment to do it, and almost anyone, anywhere, at any time can do it. It's not difficult to plan walks into your day. You can walk to work, to catch a train, or to a park. You can walk to shops or enjoy walks in the country. It's a great way to spend time with family and friends. People have some of their best conversations while walking. It's best to do some stretches before and after you walk. Take short, quick steps, stand straight, and take deep breaths. For basic health, it's good to walk most days of the week. Walk for 20 to 30 minutes or more at a talking pace. To lose weight, walk for 30 to 45 minutes or more. Walk as many days as you can. Walk fast enough so that you finish slightly out of breath. To make your heart stronger, walk quickly for 20 minutes or more. If you can, walk where there are some small hills. Walk 2 or 3 times a week. Go as fast as you can, but enjoy yourself. Exercise should never be painful.